It's the Joint Force on AFN the Eagle, serving America's best. And today we are joined by some special guests. We have Colonel Pat Dagon, the commander for U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Europe District, as well as Mr. Bryce Jones, an area engineer for Southern Europe. Thank you both for coming on and being with us today.
And thank you. Thank you for hosting Bryce and I and allowing us to speak about Engineer Week, which is going to represent the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers in the Europe District and talk about our programs and the value of engineering during this time.
Well, that's great. We're glad to have you on. You mentioned it earlier, sir. It's Engineering Week. What is this exactly?
Engineer Week is typically towards the end of February, and it was a week founded by the National Society of Professional Engineers in the 1950s. It's an opportunity for us to spotlight engineering, to ignite curiosity and spark enthusiasm across all disciplines and inspire a diverse and well-educated future engineering workforce. This year's theme in particular is reimagining the possible.
Sounds like a great idea. So why or how is engineering and STEM important?
Engineering is critical to our nation and the world's past, present, and future. The need for future engineers is critical, and that means encouraging our young people to explore careers in all the facets of STEM: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Engineers are critical to everyone's day-to-day lives, making cities run, networks operate, and building for tomorrow.
Of course, it's super important to our everyday lives. So my next question is for Mr. Jones. How would you say, sir, that engineering impacts our day-to-day lives?
Engineering is everywhere. It's all around us. It's from the phones we use to the temperature settings of the air conditioning and the heaters, the roads we travel upon, the buildings that we work in. Engineering impacts our daily lives because it makes our lives more efficient and more comfortable. Specific to the Corps of Engineers, engineering enables the U.S. government to provide high-quality facilities for our families and service members on installations so they have the support needed to accomplish their unit's mission and also enjoy their tour. We're going to talk a little bit later on this discussion, but examples include DoDEA schools and dental clinics and hospitals, clinics. Engineering provides those facilities that make our lives better and more enjoyable. The other thing that's kind of cool about the impact to our daily lives beyond the project is every project is a partnership among various stakeholders. So specifically here in Europe, a key stakeholder are all the different various host nation government entities. So from the Ministry of Defense to the local armies and air forces and navies to our embassy partners, et cetera. And we get to execute our projects in concert and in partnership with them and not only provide facilities that help them do their job better and be more proficient in their mission and take care of their families, but also it helps us build that relationship and that partnership, which is incredible. And also an ultimate goal within engineering is to build that partnership, not just the facilities.
It's everywhere. You can definitely feel it. You can see it all over the place and can't imagine a world without it, especially for us here in Europe. And it's building our relationships with all of our allies and partners. Once again, that was Mr. Bryce Jones, the area engineer for Southern Europe, as well as Colonel Pat Dagon, commander for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Europe District. Coming up, we're going to be talking about the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers in Europe.